Rayo sectionals will need to be connected in the customer's home. There is a connection point on the back legs as well as underneath the sofa frame. Place the pieces where they will live. Slide the pieces together. Start with the underside connection first. Using the 2 U-clips and 4 1/2-inch bolts, attach the 2 pieces together at the threaded inserts. It is safer to reach through the slat than to tip the pieces on their back. Go around to the back of the sofa and put on the connector leg. Using the 2 lock blocks and the 4 1-inch bolts, attach the leg. Repeat this process at all points where 2 pieces meet.